Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Hope you're having a great day today. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So today guys, it's about that time of year. It's May 1st and it is time for a pest control application. So, here in North Carolina, temperatures, things are kind of changing here. Temperatures are changing and, bugs are starting to, kind of become an issue now. So, not really seeing a whole lot of issues in the lawn. I am seeing what are called crane flies as I go around, as I drive the mower around. I'm seeing some white moths kind of pop up as well. So want to throw something down to kind of control those. And then as the weather is kind of changing, we're going to start dealing with mosquitoes here before too long. So I want to bring you guys along with me today. I'm going to be putting out my monthly application of pest control. So really quickly, before we get started, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and with that being said, let's get into the video. All right, so like I always say in my videos, it's always really important to make sure you wear your proper PPE. So glasses, I should be wearing long sleeves. I have on long pants, so we're good there. Eye protection if you need it. Always wear gloves. And so let's talk about what I've got here on the table. Also, before we get started, it's always super important to make sure you're reading your labels. Your labels will tell you really anything and everything that you need to know about the product, from what it controls, how much to apply, how often to apply, whether it's got temperature restrictions, does it need to be watered in or not watered in. So if you ever have a question about the product, you just always consult the label. So let's talk about the Cutter Backyard Bug Control for a second. So I picked this up at Lowe's. I think it was around 11 bucks a bottle, which is, this product works fantastic. You just hook it up to a hose and you can broadcast spray this just kind of everywhere, maybe into the lawn, up into your shrubs, anywhere that you would have bugs or, mosquitoes. This product works great for that. So ants, chinch bugs, mosquitoes, moths, fire ants, again, mostly any bug that you might have in your lawn, this is great for. Residual's about 30 days, so you got to apply this monthly. But what I'm going to go with is a product called bifenthrin, and I've shown this product before. You can pick this up on Amazon. I also have it linked on my website at thediylawncoach.com. So if I do get a little bit of a commission there, so if you don't mind supporting me, that would be great. I would certainly appreciate it. Bifenthrin is great for controlling mosquitoes, ants, chinch bugs, anything like that. So again, always consult the label for what it controls. But this bottle cost me about 60 bucks. It's a gallon. So the cost to do my 20,000 square foot lawn is about 9 bucks. Cost to do my 20,000 square foot lawn with this would be about $44. So, big difference there. This is great for if you're on a whim, maybe you ran out of this, got to run to the store, got people coming over, barbecue, pool party, whatever. This is a great fill-in, but this is what I would suggest using on your everyday, pest control application. Use rate, according to the label, is 1 ounce per gallon. So I've got my Flow Zone 4-gallon backpack sprayer. We're going to fill it to 4 gallons. I'm actually going to get, I'm going to do 10,000 square feet out of this 4 gallons. So it's going to be 10 ounces of my bifenthrin and 4 gallons of water. I can easily get that set on the low setting and be able to evenly broadcast this out across my 10,000 square feet. So I'll kind of take the camera with me and show you guys, what I do and how I apply this. But this is super easy to do. Mixes really well with your other products as well. So, say you need to throw down your biostimulants or you were doing a fungus control, you can mix all of that into one tank at one time. And residual's about 30 days. So again, 1st of May, I'm going to apply this on the 1st of every month, really all the way until October 1st, and that'll be my last application, as long as we're dealing with bugs around here. So with that being said, let me bring you guys in a little bit closer and show you how we mix this up. All right, so we've got our 4 gallons of water. Now we're going to put in our 10 ounces of bifenthrin. All right. I like to rinse this out just to make sure I get it all. All right. And then we top it back up with water. This is a little paint mixer. Bought it at the hardware store. Great for mixing. Ready to start spraying. All right, so we've got the front yard sprayed. Now I've kind of got this little bit of a natural area left to do. And so what I'm gonna do is just kind of come in here and lightly just kind of give everything a coat up and around. Anything worried about spiders, ants, anything like that, just kind of give it a light little spray. And that's it. Right, so this is also just kind of the front area, worried about ants, like I said, mosquitoes. Spray it up into the bushes. Up and around the base of the house. There we go. So now I've got all the grass completely sprayed. Now I've got this kind of wooded area on the back side of my property, and mosquitoes really like to hang out under in some of this brush. So what I'm going to do is take the last little bit that I've got, and I'm just going to kind of spray up into the trees and kind of create a little bit of a border to protect me. Last thing we want to do is just rinse everything out. Make sure we don't leave any residual in there for the next time we spray, but I don't necessarily need to do that on camera. So just to wrap this video up, this is something super easy to do, super cost effective. Again, I did my 20,000 square foot lawn for less than $20, which is incredible. So actually it was about $9 to do this whole lawn. So if you've got a mosquito company that's spraying your lawn, I don't know what they're charging you, but I promise you they're not doing it for the price that you could do it yourself for. So go pick up some bifenthrin, keep it out every 30 days, while the bugs are active, and you won't have any bug problems. I won't have any mosquitoes or anything for the next 30 days. So everybody's going to be happy. The wife's going to be happy. Kids can return back to the lawn once everything dries, and we don't have to worry about bugs. So thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as I continue to post videos all year long. So thank you so much for joining me. My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Have a great day.